Hey everyone, welcome back. It is a blustery day in Colorado. The rain has finally stopped. Our river crested at 10:05, so it washed out one of the roads to town, but I'm sure they'll get it fixed. Feel like, I don't know. Yeah, I see. It doesn't really rain a lot, so I'm not sure. Okay, one sec. I'll help in 1 second. I'm not really sure if like the town is prepared structurally for, water damage. It should be because we're next to the river, but yes, behind me here, I have some just old garden trellises, and I'm gonna make a little roost for the new chickens and rearrange some things in the coop. We have some prepping to do today, just a bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna take you along. I hope you're excited. I hope you're liking these vlogs. I certainly like them because I used to do this a lot on the channel, and I feel like I can fit a lot of information into these. So I'm gonna also try and answer some questions. I have some new seeds to show you that I'm going to be planting. Honestly, a lot of what I'm planting is gonna just be directly sown, just because that's how things worked out this year. So we are excited. I've got my helpers here, and they're playing in this gigantic puddle. So come along with us. First things first, we're just gonna quickly build this. It shouldn't take too long. Knock on wood, because maybe it will take that long. But I just wanna make them a roost so they can properly sleep. They only really have 3 roosting bars right now, and I want them to just have a larger setup. All right, here's the roost. It's pretty wide, pretty easy to put together, honestly. But the girls kind of get territorial, and I need them to be raised up kind of above the ducks, because then the ducks get territorial. So it's a whole thing. Hopefully this will be fine. I'm gonna put it to where, I guess, against where the wind blows, if that makes sense. The wind blows everywhere back there, but typically it's going, I don't know. Well, we'll see. I'll show you here in a second, but I got to get everything out of that coop first. So yeah, it's been a mess in there just because of the rain and all that. So I'm trying to get all that out of there. And then this top piece is really what lets in the rain. Oh, dropped an egg. So, okay. Yeah, just going to get all this stuff out. I really need this to be done before the baby comes. That means y'all have to get out. So this is what we have going on so far. The ducks are in there losing their mind. I'm going to put it back together. I have all this stuff out. Got a egg stash in there. Disgusting one because it's been raining. But I'm going to take those in. And look at them. They're checking everything out. Yeah. I need to get the hay out of there and get some pine shavings in there for summer. We do the hay because it's just warmer for the summer. So, yeah. That is what we're doing, slowly but surely. Here we go. All right, this is what we're working with right now until my husband brings home the pine shavings, but not a lot that I can do. So I just have this down here I don't know, just for something different. I have the Roost here, and then I did leave the original Roost just in case, but the ducks all like to snuggle in there, so I don't know. I made a bigger one, and then they never went in it, so I feel like it would take up too much space. So that is the ducks' little hut, and then just remember, you know, they have their whole run, so this is just where they're sleeping. So we'll see what they think of it. The two inspectors are checking it out right now. We are inside now, and I'm going to make some Cajun-ish pasta. So we have a bell pepper here and an onion, and then we're doing the uncured beef kielbasa, the Teton Waters Ranch. I love the ingredients on there. Cherry powder, onion powder, garlic, celery, coriander, paprika, vinegar, black pepper, sea salt. It's just grass-fed, grass-finished beef and water. And then I'm going to serve it with some asparagus. And over here we have some Alfredo sauce. We're just keeping it super simple. And we're going to do some pasta as well. So for my husband's and mine, we are going to do Cajun seasoning, but everybody else's, they might not be able to handle that. So could serve it with rice. What do we have up here? Oh, yes. We'll just do the whole wheat rotini and go from there. I don't, actually, that box does not have a lot in it. The best thing about this meal is it's a one-pot meal. So I'm going to get everything cut up and cooked up here, and I will catch up with you in 1 second. I don't know if I'm going to use the rotini. Let's see what I can come up with. So in the pot right now, I just have some of that kielbasa, and then I forgot I had chicken sausage. I just need to use that up. So not necessary. You could also do shrimp or scallops with this. It's really tasty with salmon. I've done it with a whitefish before, but we're just going to keep it basic. I have onions, bell pepper. We're just going to do a little bit of avocado oil, salt and pepper. Brown that a little bit, and then we're going to throw in our Alfredo, and then plus a jar of water. And then we are going to mix in our dry pasta and then probably do one more jar of water and some extra salt. So we shall see. But this is super simple, one pot meal, and it's really tasty. It will probably make leftovers, so that will be good this week when I'm supposed to be kicking my feet up. So we already dug in, but this is kind of what's happening over here. We went with the just little shell noodles because I felt like that was the easier and it would cook quicker, but I don't know if that's true or not. And then we just did sheet pan asparagus, and then we have some sourdough bread over there with grass-fed butter, and it's delicious and filling, and I'm gonna go in for seconds. Yum. Hi girls. So this is what we have going on with the chickens. We have the little ones in this little coop here. The ducks don't seem to mind them. Actually, one of the baby chicks, Dixie, the blind one, got out, and I found her under Luna's wing, so it was like super sweet. It's these two that are just not being friendly. So the goal is tonight to put them in the coop in one of those I don't know, dog crates, and hopefully, fingers crossed, that they will get along. I don't know though, we shall see. Dolly can be a real jerk sometimes, and Loretta follows in her footsteps. It's odd because, you know, they're sweet with us, but I really thought it would be a smoother transition. They're just, I don't know, nasty to them sometimes. But the ducks are sweet, right? Yeah. All right, I'm going to bring you over here, show you my lilacs quick, and then we are moving on because I wanted to show you my little seed stockpile that I've been getting at the farm stand whenever we go. So we have the lilacs over here. First time they've ever bloomed, so they are beautiful. We like to make lilac lemonade and things like that. So that's probably what we'll do, but we're gonna enjoy them for a little bit. Now let me take you in and show you my seeds. The kids are out here riding their bike. Delilah has learned to go on her tricycle. Very proud of her. If you're new here, she has made some strides. You can probably look back on our videos. But yes, it is exciting to see both legs working at the same time, right, honey? Yeah. Oh, right here. I put it right there. I have a little snack for them out here while I show you my seeds. Y is already, he's doing great on his bike, but how you doing, bud? But what's the problem with our bike?
It pumps out air.
Yeah.
I don't know how to jump like a motorcycle and do this.
The tires keep popping out because out here in Colorado we have goat heads. I don't know if y'all have them, but it's a plant and it grows right out there. So my husband went to go get some more propane, and I'll show you the torch when he gets back. But it's, yeah, they're really bad out here. In Pennsylvania, we have ticks and poison ivy, poison oak, but I love you more. But out here in Colorado, we have just all these things that we didn't know about. I didn't know what a goat head was. It's these really sharp things, but they can pop a hole right through those tires. So.
I see it come from my sister's tire.
Yeah, if you find one, let me know so I can show them. Okay. All right, I ended up getting some organic corn. I'm excited for this. We don't really freeze this. It's just something to enjoy. We got the jewel corn. Cool bean, huh?
Yeah, I like corn.
Yeah, me too. Everybody. Okay, and then we got some hollyhock just for a climber. It depends which ones you get. We like the heirlooms. They seem to have a brighter color, or a more, not a bright color, but I guess a more muted color. And I love bright flowers, but for hollyhocks, I like the muted yellows. And we get some of the hot pink, but not too many. And they like to vine up, so I think they're really nice against the fence. And then we ended up getting the Detroit. Oh no.
Oh man, what happened?
Oh man.
Oh.
Thanks, honey. Okay, so we got Detroit dark reds, and we love beets. They're like some of our favorite things to eat. And I love pickled eggs, and we put beets in our pickled eggs. I don't know if that's a PA Dutch thing or if everybody does that, but you could like go to the local Elks and Legions and you could buy a pickled egg for like 25 cents. I don't know if that's making me sound strange, but I'm going to share it with y'all anyways. Detroit dark red, the US Organics. And then I got some sugar daddy peas. I know we already have these, but I just wanted more. We eat so many peas, and I love peas, and they're great frozen. So yep, 1 sec, bud. And then the last thing I got were some more onion sets, just because she had them buy one get one, so they were $1. And oh, I didn't know this, that they were produced in Greeley, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, so they were $2.99.
Maybe just me.
That's actually, yeah, that's a great deal. So $1 for both of these. We already got 2 sets of these in the beginning of the season. They're in the ground out there. So it will be interesting to see these come up, but we go through a ton of onions. I like doing the onion braid in my cellar, just so I can grab from them throughout the winter. Thank you. We had these. No, we didn't. I think we got these from Grant. Shout out to you, Grant. Thank you. These are pumpkins. I didn't know you all called them rockets. I didn't know you called pumpkins rockets too, but yes, that is my seed stash. That is what I've been holding on to, so I'm excited. I can't wait to get some of these in the ground. All right, here it is. He's back with the propane. That's how it works. But yeah, I don't really see any right now that have the goat head plants on them, but if I find one, I will show you. As you can see, there's just like a bunch of green that comes out that we don't really need. There are not any weeds that we can save. So he enjoys doing this. I enjoy having a clean lawn, but there is a mud puddle. That's true. Sometimes it smells when he burns the wrong plants. I don't know if that's pregnancy brain, but yeah, back here, I haven't really showed you. It's just the other side of the fence. And then if we have the hoop house or I guess greenhouse, it would go here. But when we bought the house, it was advertised for RV and boat parking, so we were going to actually rent this out, but apparently a lot of people do that in the town, so not something that we're gonna do. But this is what we have going on. We have other dandelions up here too. Again, we're new to the property, so it's not something we're gonna snag because we don't know if they were sprayed within the last 10 years or so, right, honey? And Delilah likes to pick them. So yes, that is what's going on today. We are anxiously awaiting my mom's arrival. So we're very excited to have her here and for the kids to see her. But it's a beautiful day out, honestly. It's not supposed to storm, but you might be able to see the mountains. They're like right there. So again, very gorgeous day. Just wanted to show you the haps and what's going on our little homestead. I forgot to close out the video, but I'm in my garage now. Let me know what you're stocking up on this week. Stay tuned for the week. We will see if this baby comes again. If I go silent, you know where I'll be. But let me know what you're stocking up on. Let me know if you find any sales online. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, y'all.